This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right now by unlocking the Iqoo Z9. Make sure battery is above 20% so interruptions don't occur. Open Settings, use the search bar if you want to save time, and type Wallpaper or Lock Screen. Once done, tap Display or Wallpaper entry to enter the Wallpaper Manager. You do this because Lock Screen Wallpaper is controlled in a dedicated menu, not in the gallery. This first step lands you in the correct place to remove or replace the lock screen image without guesswork. Now you navigate the Wallpaper Manager. Choose the Lock Screen tab so you modify only that image. You will see a preview and buttons like Edit, Set, or Remove. Tap Remove if visible. If Remove is not shown, select Set and pick a system default or a blank/solid wallpaper to overwrite. This achieves the same result. Make sure to confirm prompts. You do this because some skins require replacing rather than deleting. Overwriting ensures the lock screen no longer shows the old photo. Finish by tapping Apply or Set for Lock Screen, then lock and wake the phone to verify the image changed. If the old wallpaper persists, clear the Settings app cache. Settings, App Storage, clear cache, then reboot. Make sure to update system software too, because bugs in the skin can lock images. If problems continue, reset wallpaper settings or boot into safe mode to check for third-party launcher interference. This isolates whether an app is forcing the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.